20 Healthy Facts About Running. Running is one of the most accessible and effective forms of exercise, offering a wide range of physical and mental health benefits. Whether you're a casual jogger or a seasoned marathoner, here are 20 healthy facts about running that highlight its positive impact. 1. Improves heart health. Running strengthens the heart, improving blood circulation and lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. 2. Burns calories. It's an excellent way to burn calories and support weight management. 3. Boosts mood. Running releases endorphins, often referred to as the runner's high, which help reduce stress and anxiety. 4. Strengthens muscles. It builds and tones leg muscles, including calves, quads, and hamstrings. 5. Enhances lung capacity. Regular running improves lung function and respiratory efficiency. 6. Improves bone density. The impact of running stimulates bone growth and helps prevent osteoporosis. 7. Lowers blood pressure. Consistent running can reduce blood pressure over time. 8. Improves sleep. Runners often experience deeper and more restful sleep. 9. Boosts immune system. Moderate running enhances immune response and reduces the risk of illness. 10. Reduces risk of chronic disease. Running lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes, stroke, and some cancers. 11. Aids mental clarity. Running increases blood flow to the brain, improving focus and mental sharpness. 12. Promotes weight loss. It's a natural and effective way to shed extra pounds. 13. Enhances coordination. It develops balance and body awareness, especially on varied terrain. 14. Strengthens core. Engaging the core during runs improves posture and stability. 15. Increases stamina. Regular running boosts endurance and energy levels. 16. Supports joint health. Contrary to myth, running can strengthen joints when done with proper form and shoes. 17. Builds discipline. Sticking to a running routine enhances self-control and perseverance. 18. Improves self-esteem. Achieving running goals can boost confidence and self-image. 19. Provides social connection. Group runs and races offer a sense of community. 20. Can be meditative. The rhythmic nature of running can induce a meditative, calming state. Incorporating running into your lifestyle just a few times a week can lead to significant improvements in physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting a new fitness program. And remember to warm up, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.